selling t-shirt designs and passive print on demand service is a big opportunity. Today, I will show you how to create t-shirts with Canva, and I'll answer a most common question regarding Canva print services. Also, I'll show you how to list our designs in Redbubble. Open Canva and search for t-shirt. You'll find several templates, but let's start from scratch by choosing a blank one. You'll still see various t-shirt design templates that can give you some ideas. The canvas size you see is the standard size for a t-shirt design. You may have seen this option in some YouTube videos. However, if you don't see it on your end, it might be because Canva print services for t-shirts aren't available in your region or country. This means you can't print those t-shirts through Canva, but you can still design t-shirts and sell those designs on Redbubble and other sites. Here's the list of regions that t-shirt print service available. I'll include a link in the description to find this region availability list. I don't have this option available for t-shirts on my end either, but don't worry, let's get to work. Now, let's create a simple design suitable for a t-shirt, similar to a typical Canva project. First, go to Elements and search for a monkey face. This one looks good. Just click on it to add it to the canvas. Center it like this. Next, search for a crown in the elements. From the graphics, I'll choose this one. Make the necessary adjustments. And change the color of the crown here. I'll pick a darker color that matches the monkey face. Okay, this looks good. Dark-colored t-shirts, especially black ones, tend to get more sales. So I'm going to make this design suitable for black t-shirts by changing the background color to black. This way, it will be easier to adjust the colors to suit the black t-shirt. However, you can design it for light-colored t-shirts as well, according to your preference. Now, I'm going to make this design look like a sticker. Click on the monkey and go to Edit Image. Then, select Shadow from the effects. Choose Outline and increase its size. Change the outline color to white. Do the same for the crown as well. Next, go to Text and find a suitable text design. I'll pick this one and add the word funky. Apply it to all the lines of this text style. Just copy and paste. Now, change the colors to match the design. Scale and adjust it like this. To group the crown and monkey together, hold down the Shift key and click on each element, then select Group. This will make it easier to adjust them in the design. Lastly, position the text behind the monkey. Okay, now everything looks good. Now I'm going to create another design for the other side of the t-shirt. So we have one for the front and one for the back. Add a new page. I am going to create design like this. So I'll get two monkey faces, crop them, and position them like this. Then click on one of them and go to Edit to add a filter. I'll also add an outline shadow to that side. Make the necessary adjustments like this. Next, search for a graphic of a beach. There are several options. I'll pick this one. I want to add it behind the monkey face. Here, I also want to make one side black and white and the other side colored. To crop this image, go to Edit Image and select Crop. Choose Freeform, then crop it like this to keep half of the graphic. Duplicate it from here and position the copy on top of the original like this, making it easier to crop the other side. Now I'll add a filter to the left side part like this. This will give a unique effect to our design. Now, adjust the layers from the position settings to keep the beach graphic behind the monkey. Group them together by holding the Shift key and selecting each element. Make suitable adjustments and alignments. Center the whole design like this. Okay, now it looks awesome, doesn't it? I also added a text effect to the main text of the previous design like this. Now go to Share and select Download. Make sure to tick Transparent Background and increase the size to at least 2x or more, because design should be in higher quality. Then download it. The file will be saved as a zip file in your download folder. Next, let's add those designs to t-shirt mockups. First, upload the designs to Canva by going to Upload, clicking on Upload Files, and choosing your unzipped designs. Here, I've already added them. Now, go to Elements and search for t-shirt mockups. Scroll down to the Mockups section and choose the one you want. I'll pick this one, which shows the front side of a t-shirt. Drag and drop the uploaded design onto the mockup like this. Now, double-click on the mockup to enter the editing view. From here, you can position the design on the t-shirt as you wish within the square. You can also change the color of the t-shirt. I'll change it to black. Then, click on Apply Changes. I've changed the background color of the page to white for better visibility. You can experiment like this to find the most suitable design for the t-shirt. Next, I'll edit another t-shirt and place the other design on it. Just like before, I follow the same procedure. It looks like this. Now, search for a mock-up of t-shirt back by typing t-shirt mock-up back into the search bar. From the available mock-ups, you can find one that suits your needs. I'll pick this one for now. As before, add the uploaded designs and make the necessary adjustments. Finally, they look like this. Now go to Share and select Download. Make sure to tick Transparent Background and increase the size for higher quality, then download it. Here's the downloaded zip file. Extract it. Here are our t-shirts. Take a look. This is just a way to get an idea of how the t-shirts will look with our designs. To actually sell these designs, you need to go to Redbubble and add your t-shirt designs to the t-shirts available there. To sell on Redbubble, go to the website, where you'll see various products like t-shirts, stickers, hats, bottles, phone cases, and many more. First, you need to sign up. Make sure to sign up as an artist so you can sell your products. I've already signed up, so I'll click on Sell Your Art. From the dashboard, follow these steps to set up your shop properly. Now I'll click on Add Design and then Upload New Work. Upload your designs, not t-shirts we created, but designs we created. Add titles and tags here. For now, I'll add simple titles and tags. You'll see various products available. You can either enable or disable them according to your preference. We're going to add a t-shirt, so I'll go to the t-shirt section. Here you can edit your design on the t-shirt. You can change the background color of the t-shirt, which means when someone searches for t-shirts, our product will be listed in black. However, buyers can purchase our design on any color t-shirt. You can also change the size of the design on the t-shirt and adjust its position. Here you can change the t-shirt type, like long sleeve, short sleeve, etc. After editing, click on Apply Changes. Once you're done, scroll down to bottom. In here, mark No, then agree to the terms and then save your work. Okay, don't forget to comment. Like the video, subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon and stay tuned with me.